Morning breaks in quiet motion, silver frost across the ground. Little footsteps, little echoes, tiny heartbeats all around.
Feathers dance through winter stillness, moving soft and slipping free.
Every flutter, every shimmer feels like warmth returning to me. In the hush, the world grows brighter, every heartbeat starts to glow. They gather at the feeder, turning winter into light. Hear the flutter in the rhythm, makes the cold feel warm tonight. Oh, they gather at the feeder, in a tango soft and deeper. Feel the heartbeat in the morning when they gather at the feeder. Little sparks along the treetops, little songs against the gray. Every flutter breaks the silence, like the night just fades away. In their wings the day grows lighter, every moment starts to flow. Maybe